Hello, Sarabia here from Planche training. Today I'm going to give you a little tip on how to go from frog to a straddle planche. Okay, what's more important here than actually trying to hit the planche straight away? It's really not as hard and go in a dish position, tucking everything in, pushing. Okay, so chest, abs contract, chest in, pushing the floor, lean forward. Also, you want to keep your heels, you want to keep your hips slightly higher on your head. Don't try to go flat right from the beginning because that's really hard. So lean forward gradually, bring your hips a little bit higher on your head and gradually start to open. Remember, lean forward, open. Okay, have a go.